before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Hey diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens, and today I'm coming to you with a video requested from one of my subscribers. I'm at the park right now, but I thought it would be a good idea to like get some fresh air, fresh thoughts, how to skip the line at the post office. So I'm gonna actually put in some clips on what I do on a regular basis when I'm processing orders. Yep, so that is how fast the Rollo printer prints labels, just like that. And as you can see, this is how the shipping label printed out. You also, as a business owner, it's important to make notes so you don't get your orders confused once you pack them up. I know how much each one of my orders cost, whether they're ordering custom logo stickers, whether they're ordering my hair that I have. I know how much all of that weighs, so I don't even have to weigh my packages. I could just put them in PayPal, but if you do have to weigh your packages, I would suggest you get a scale, and you'll see the scale in this clip, and I'll also put it in the description box below so you can go ahead and order your scale. Comes out to be 2.2 ounces. Your poly mailers, all that good stuff will be in the description box below. So this comment is from Rose Dawson. She said, what do you do when you have multiple packages to ship and it's too much to bring to the post office? Do you schedule pickups? Let's say you have about 15 to 20 packages to save on trips to the post office. It's time consuming because they have to process each package and give you a 10-foot receipt with all the tracking, right? Trying to figure out what most convenient and cost effective. Okay, so what I use for my business is PayPal. When I get an order, I pull it up. I have a video on how exactly I do this on PayPal. I'll leave it in the card in this video. When I'm on PayPal, I have my information already on my account, so all I have to do is create a label. There's a page on PayPal where you can create a custom label through PayPal, and that's what I do. So when my customers send me the money through Cash App or PayPal, or they order through my website, I go ahead and process their order through PayPal. So I put in their name, their address, and their email. It's gonna ask you that when you create your label for their order. So the reason why they ask you for the email is because once you pay for that label, they'll send a custom tracking number to that customer. So once I create the label, create everything custom, PayPal automatically notifies the customer and let them know, hey, this is your tracking number, your label was just created for your package, so this is how you can, you know, track your package. So I don't have to give them a tracking number, or I don't have to go to the post office. So once I process their order, I can either have USPS pick it up from my house, or I could just drop it in one of those blue mailboxes at a USPS or at another location. I don't even have to take it to USPS because USPS will get the package and scan it automatically. So when they scan it, it'll notify the customer that USPS has possession of their package. And another thing that I like about USPS, you can track all your orders on one page, and that is so convenient because my customers, sometimes they get a little worried and they ask, hey, how long do you think I'm gonna get it by Friday? It's just customers asking questions because they don't know how long it'll take. Even if I've told them it takes around 2 to 5 business days. Once USPS scans it, it'll tell them a specific date. So before USPS scans it, they're like, oh, do you think I'll get it before this day or that day? And I'm not sure, but this is how I keep track of everything. And I let them know USPS hasn't scanned the package yet, but they will. I'm gonna go ahead and put these clips in, show you step by step, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't have to go to the post office, wait in the line. The only reason you would do that is because you want a receipt yourself for your records. That's the only reason I would go into the post office and stand in line, is for me to have proof that I sent the package, or you could just show them USPS tracking information. It's still the same, but some people like the physical receipt. You do everything from home, honestly, and then USPS can pick it up. But I'm out running errands for other stuff. I have a business and there's multiple entities inside of that business. So one day I might be dropping off hair, another day I might be dropping off custom logo stickers for customers. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some clips of the custom logo stickers that I have. Logo stickers that you can put on your eyelashes and your lip glosses. And I also have hair. That's why I keep my business bag. You all need a business bag if you're running a business. It's so important to have a business bag. But yeah, I also have different types of bags. So I'm about to get ready and go to the post office. I'm not sure if they are going to let me film inside the post office. So as y'all can see, I am walking up to the post office right now. They have different bags in here. Here's the to and from. So this right here is the texture that I have in my hair right now. It's more defined. This is our deep wave, real natural hair pattern. Look at the shine. It looks very nice. And like I was saying, this is brand identity. I have my logo on my bundles. The loose deep wave, this is like one of my favorites. Of course, when you wet it and wash it, the curls loosen up a little bit, but this is how it comes. You can literally like wear it straight out of the package. There's no chemical smell to it. But yeah, that's how that looks. Our last texture is straight. So this is what this looks like. Very pretty. And it's very free-flowing. It's not stiff at all. Very good quality hair. And as you can see, the bundles are good. I think this is a 22-inch, and I'm pretty sure it's longer than 22 inches, and the bundle sizes are amazing. So yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.